All right, this is me this beautiful Thursday. I did not feel like doing my hair, so it's just in like a rubber band pulled to the side because I'm in the phase of my life where I don't give any fucks. Usually there's a key in there, so we're gonna have to ask where my package is. All right, I got my box. There is a lot of good shit in here. Just a few things to get the van situated, the cat situated, my podcast situated the way that I want it to. And yeah, let's go do an unboxing. All right, this is me this beautiful Thursday. I did not feel like doing my hair, so it's just in like a rubber band pulled to the side because I'm in the phase of my life where I don't give any fucks. All right, it's time to open up this Amazon box so I can show you some of this. What do they call this shit on unboxing? I got a selfie ring light for my podcast. I have no idea what this is. Oh, I got this for jogging because I jog in the mornings, and my other one I threw in the trash because it was just super old and disgusting. I got, okay, this is twice. Oh, my gym bag. I got a new gym bag because this gym bag that I bought a while ago, the zipper broke, and I just needed a replacement. So I got my gym bag, which I'm excited about, so I can put all of my, what I usually do if I need a shower, I will grab, when I need to shower, I will literally grab all of my items and have everything in here already. So all I'll have to put in here is like a change of clothes, and that's just it. Everything else is already set. So new bag, which I'm going to get situated tonight. This is a wash bag for the gym bag to put all of my stuff in. Shampoo, conditioner, all that good shit. And this is my headphones that I bought for my podcast because the ones that I had, I guess it got hot because they were in storage, and then it started peeling, and I'm not about to do that like that. So these are the ones that I bought, and I will let you guys know the quality. Medola, I'll let you know the quality once I use them and wear them, which I think I'm going to do my first actual visual podcast where you see me tonight when the sun starts going down, so I can get my van, looking sexy and cute. My microphone that I need. I already have a smaller one that I use, that I pin on myself, lavalier, but I kind of wanted something a little bit bigger, so I have both, so whenever I want to use it, I can. You know, you just got to invest in yourself, baby. What the hell is this? Oh, okay, I know what this is now. So I'm tired of my paper towels just sitting around, and so there's a sticker here, which is going to be these. That's going to go here, and then I am going to stick it right up here and then put the paper towels in there. So I always like things to be organized. So that's that. I also have a stand for my phone. I don't know why I don't use it. So all of these just fell out of here. I don't want to lose those. And then I bought two because you just never know when you're going to need another one. So I'll store that somewhere. And then, what is this? Oh, the most important thing. Well, it's all important. I bought me, so this thing that I'm sitting on right here, I actually bought a cushion for it because I sit my big ass on it. So this right here, as you can see, is full of my shoes. What I'm gonna do with this thing is I'm actually gonna cut it, put a little hole on the side of it in the front to where the cat can get in. And obviously I have to make it a little big because as she grows. And then I'm gonna put her litter box in there instead because her litter box is in the front. It is a pet peeve of mine. I just cannot stand it. It's not like it sits forever, but I'm just not a fan. So I'm gonna put it inside of this box. And what these are gonna be for my shoes, and I'm gonna be able to fit these underneath my bed, and it holds 12 each. So I'll be able to store 24 pairs of shoes, which I don't have that much, but there's bigger shoes that are gonna take up space, like my hiking shoes, my skates that I plan to use down the line at some point. And, oh yeah, and I needed this. So this is just my attachment from my headphone. Oh shit, you know what? Damn, Gina. I thought these were gonna be for my iPhone, and what it was gonna do is it was going to attach itself from the USB, but these are not for iPhone, this is for Android. Damn. I'm gonna keep them anyway. So we're gonna figure out how I'm gonna do this, but there's always a way because I am a solutionist. We're gonna figure this shit out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out. And then the last thing that is also important that I've been wanting is a vacuum, a cordless vacuum for my van, just because there's some places that I just can't get, like underneath my seats that well, and I'm just tired of that. It comes with a cute bag. It comes with all of the adapters, a filter, and my vacuum. You know, it's just the small things that just keep me excited. And then of course all of the adapters. I'm not gonna want this box, I'll figure out that later. So yeah, I have a lot of organizing to do. I mean, I'm not a dirty person, so it's not organization as far as like cleaning up things, but organization of getting my gym bag ready, figuring out my podcast gear that I just got, cleaning out the cat's litter, and then cutting a hole so she can get in and have that together, putting my shoes in those boxes, sticking it under my van, and then tomorrow, once I'm done with everything, I'm gonna go around the crevices and use my vacuum. So that is it. That is my unboxing. So let me get the shit together because as the sun goes down, I want to do my podcast because I want all of the lighting in here to look super cute. And It's going to be my first visual one. On one of my videos I did post, I had a podcast back in the day, which actually did pretty well. If I was consistent, I'm sure it would be off the chain. But it was called The Traveling Sexologist. And it was about trauma and how, you know, you're not really being able to have like great relationships because you're holding on to all of this shit inside of your body that's just blocking you. And it was just, I guess it's just one tiny aspect of life. And my life and everybody's life is multifaceted. But I felt it was coming more from a trauma-based conversation, so to speak, which is fine, but I didn't want it to just be about that. And but it did well. Of course, the majority of my listeners were males, because that's when I had my massage business. So I would just send my massage clients over to my podcast, so it grew pretty quickly. And you know, I feel like when I was a massage therapist, you know, men go through a lot of shit. And they're very hush-hush about it, you know, because they're told that men can't have emotions and men shouldn't cry, and you're not a man if you express emotions, which is completely ignorant and stupid. To even, you know, engage that type of conversation towards men, to act like they're not human beings as well, because they have emotions. So I heard a lot of stories, unfortunate stories as well, and that's kind of why I got out of that aspect of my life. It was just just touching people. I'm good on the whole energy thing. I don't want to touch anybody anymore that I'm not intimate with. And then 2, it was just a lot of carrying people's energy. And it's not that I didn't alchemize that shit. It's like I became a therapist, and it just, you know, it was a lot of trauma-based shit, and I just want to live my life in joy. I understand life has full of contrast. Trauma does exist, but we can't play the victim. And the more that we keep repeating a story, the more you keep igniting the signals in your brain to keep showing you that, bringing you that, experiencing that. And now that I'm aware of that type of programming and how we are alchemists and how we are creators, I just didn't want to give of myself of that aspect anymore. I'm still going to talk about it if it needs to come up on my new podcast, but it's time to move on, baby.
And yes, with that ending, it is time to move on to bigger and better things.